Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add a profile picture on Venmo in just a few quick steps. First, open the Venmo app and log in to your account. Tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner to open your personal page. Next, tap Edit or the pencil icon near your current profile picture or initials. You'll see the option to Change Photo. Tap it and then choose whether you want to take a new photo using your camera or upload one from your phone's gallery. Once you've selected your picture, adjust or crop it as needed, and then tap Save or Done. Your new profile picture will instantly update and appear on your Venmo profile and transactions. If you ever want to change it again, you can follow the same steps anytime. And that's it! You've successfully added your profile picture on Venmo and made your account more personal and recognizable to your friends and contacts. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.